Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got pipe dream polish on the list, 110 degrees and light of day. I'm going to do a water marble. I'm going to get started with the Get a Grip as my base coat and Braves Diva Shutout as my base color. Make those neons pop. And I have placed an order for some more of this Shutout and the black one. On the black, or she has two, or had two, but anyway, I ordered more black and white because she just can't get enough. Look at that one coater. She's awesome. Easy to work with. You see it's not flooding my cuticles, and it levels out nicely. This one's a winner chicken dinner. That's just my opinion now, you know. But there we go. Hi Woody, how you doing? He's so fun. Alright, so we're going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down. And then we're going to do some water play for sure. And today's polishes are all going to be from Pipe Dream Polish. And I know it's unfair. They're no longer being sold. But I have them. I'm going to use them. Here is On the List. And then we have 110 degrees. And then finally, Light of Day. I'll also be using Braves Diva Game Over. And I'm going to just drop these in and build a bullseye. I'm trying so hard to get in these neon manis before I jump off into my jewel tone autumn polishes. I am really excited about that, but today the real feel is like 116 here. And so my brain is definitely not in the fall mode just yet, but we're getting there. And I am going to try another design today, another one that I saw Artisan Loom do. And mine does, it's about placement, and I realized that after I got done. And you kind of, it's kind of even hard to describe how to do it. I'm doing this kind of from the side and then going to the center and then dipping in. It's kind of making like a lava lamp look. And then I'm going to do some more drawing in it to make it do something else. But after I got done doing this manicure, I realized that it was the placement that I had kind of gotten off on. I didn't quite nail that. Okay, here goes the last lava lamp kind of piece, and then now I'm going to drag from the bottom up around this black edge and get that kind of feathered look over there. So I will leave a link for Artisan Loom down below so that you can see how this is really supposed to be done. But you know, I tell you all the time, you're not going to get good at anything unless you play with it and practice. And I'm going to keep playing and practicing. Maybe one day you guys will get to see me just nail this. I really did like the manicure though. Kind of had like a swoop design to it. And there I go. I'm going to build up another bullseye. Doing the same process. Using the same pattern of colors. When I do a water marble, I line my polishes up kind of in order. You know, so that every time I do build my bullseye, that they're all the same. I mean, we know each nail's going to turn out looking a little different because of the drawing, but as far as the order of the colors, I try to stick with keeping them in order. And these are all water marbling very nicely. We go up to the top and down to the bottom. Here we go in with our little from the sides to the center, and I do dip down to kind of connect the two. They seem to do pretty good that way. These are kind of looking like hearts. I think that's cute. And this is how I do my heart pattern when I can get it to work. And yes, I've still got that nasty cold. It's just a summer cold. I'm not dying or anything, so I don't want anybody feeling sorry for me. I definitely sound a whole lot worse than I feel. So there we go. We did our little swoop on the side. There we go. going to grab my cleanup, the one that's got the GERmanikure polish on the end. Get that extra off the top of the water so I don't mess my design up. Had a bubble I had to pop. There we go. So I am using my little tweezers. I was going to call them snippers, but they're tweezers, to remove that latex real quick. And I have built another bullseye. I didn't want this video being too long, so I'm kind of, you know, doing a little bit of editing here. Almost got my cup out of frame. Wouldn't be my video if I didn't have some of it out of frame, you know. I am working on it. Getting a little better. So there we go. But I definitely like this design. I like the way it looks. And I'm thinking this one would look really good with some of those jewel tone polishes too. There we go. Gonna do the swoop across the side. And I'm not real happy with how that one looks, so I'm gonna mess with it again. And oh, now I'm really not happy with it, so we're gonna go on the other side. So I'm gonna dip down in. And this actually turned out kind of funny because that's my ring finger, which is normally my accent nail. So that design is reversed on that finger because I dipped on the other side of the cup. Like I said, with Watermarble, a lot of times it has to do with placement, where you dip your finger in. And it's kind of funny that the one that I did different is on the other nail. Or reversed image, you know, put the nails side by side. It's like reversed image of each other. And I promise you, if I could do water marbles for every manicure, I would. I love water marbling. Okay, well, I've decided to go ahead and do this one on the reversed image also. So you got two going one way and two going the other way. Trying to keep it uniform. Not that anybody would notice that. I am going to go in with a Q-tip and some acetone and get this big stuff off. I never apply latex or tape or anything up high enough. I could go way past my knuckle and I would still end up with polish, you know, past the protected point. So just going to do that cleanup real quick. Do the big cleanup with this Q-tip. What a mess. So there we go. Once again, we've got our daily teapot going. It's screaming. Like I told y'all in one of my other videos, we in the South, we gotta have our sweet tea. Which means the teapot's a whistling. And here we go. I'm gonna do my cleanup with my cleanup brush and some acetone. Not too bad. I mean, you know, considering how messy this business could be without using latex or anything, it could have been a real big mess. I am going up under that nail, although it's off camera. There we go, doing a double check. I'm going to top this one with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. I just love a glossy top coat. Just makes me so happy. There we go. Get her done. I ended up wearing this manicure for 6 days. Both of these water marbles on my nails. I was just really digging it. Hi Woody, how you doing? So there we go, and there's my swatch photo. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.